I'm Greg Jenson. I'm the owner and president of Jenson Mechanical here in Union City. Been in business for 38 years, 31 of those years here at our 30,000 square foot shop. We're a industrial mechanical contractor. In the shop here we do sheet metal fabrication, steel fabrication. We have machines that will do HVAC gauge type of work, light gauge sheet metal work, all the way up to heavy plate work. We have iron workers for working with structural material. We have press brakes, shears for the heavier materials, industrial sheet metal, that kind of thing. We don't make one specific product. We have different things that we have to use. Some of the equipment might only be used once a year, but it's needed for efficiency or to make a quality part. Most of our equipment doesn't need any type of programming, so the guys can just move from one machine to the next machine to the next machine with an easy setup and not a lot of training or extra step of programming equipment. One of the latest things that we did is install a water jet machine where we replaced a plasma machine that we'd had for several years, and it paid for itself in just a couple of projects. Some of the equipment that we've produced in here, some of the notable things is a company called Seminus Vegetable Seeds down in Oxnard, California. We designed and built several pieces of the processing equipment, in fact most of the processing equipment that's in the plant, with new technologies, and we built all the equipment right here, from virus treating to dryers to conveyors. One project that's kind of funny is for a chocolate company. We built some chocolate storage tanks basically lined from the front of the building all the way to the back of the building. That's like 400 feet. So besides doing fabrication work, we also do a lot of process piping, utility piping. For utility piping, we have threaders, we have roll grooving equipment, we have pipe stands, we have dies, we have quite an extensive collection of pipe fittings, things like that. We also do quite a bit of sanitary piping, stainless piping like you'd find in a brewery, and the tool that we use a lot on that is the orbital welder. This is coming really good for us. Produces a nice quality weld, consistent, sanitary again on the inside, the outside beautiful weld, and it's also very efficient on time. I'm having an auction. It was a difficult decision, especially with such loyal customers and employees. Some of the customers have been around for 30 years, and some of my employees have been around for close to 30 years. But it's time to spend some more time with my well-deserving wife and my family, and I have my first 2 grandkids, so the time's come for that. I looked into 2 or 3 auction companies. I felt most comfortable with West Auctions when they came in to look at things. The other auction company had a name more familiar to me, but the more I checked everything out, and again, I kind of went with my gut on West Auctions, and just the general feeling and the personal service that I felt that I was going to get.